down. Nothing now hold down. Alright, D say, me know where gear, take it back. You take back some from D, where gear?
Me? Jesus.
Yeah, you call Donia. You call Donia. Me not take no shit in the stick. Me not take nothing at all. Jabass, believe me, Jabass. Jabass, away gear and take back. Jabass, I mean him want to shit in the stick. You must be
Donia, you tell him nothing.
Donia, you make him mix me up, so.
Jabass, me not tell him no lie, Jabass. Me not tell him no lie, Jabass. Me not tell him no lie, Jabass. Me know where you take back from there.
Yo, Caan.
Did it, me say stop calling me name.
You call Donia. And you call Donia. You call
Donia. I never want them to ask me.
Bring down and go on the rest of us. Who am I bring down now? I don't start talk and tell me what I want. Jabass, D, me don't know where gear. I take it back, but it's not healthy for you. It don't look good. You can't do that.
Yeah, me say no on Augusto. Are you still a spread foolish?
Wanna call me and tell me D. Wanna call me and tell me.
Not me. Me don't know nothing about that. Bye bye later. For me day and night. You drop blood clot would go. You drop blood clot would come. And me sit down and me take every blood clot thing. Tell the people them see I use my fucking energy. Tell the people them that. Don't fuck yourself with me Batman Jabass. Cause you don't know the who. That me a blood clot tell you. And I TikTok me there for no pussy. I send that voice note to a brawling pussy. Cause me want you for blood clot run come defend it. Batman. Suck back your... Go suck out back your mother. Dog shit. Cause me go back down to the dirt for your Batman. Me put on this blood clot here. And me change over blood clot new leaf. And me say me done compare your class people. But you have to get it. Me can't look clout off of your car. Your cloth come with rape. So me can't look blood clot cloth off of your Batman. And me can't clean up your blood clot the other day. You fucking forget. When you come talk about how you revive your and come off of this fish. You must have blood clots, Smaddy. You remember blood clot good. See it there? The old bitch a text me. See the pussy a text me down. See the bitch a text me down. See it there? See the bitch there text blood clot me down. Yeah. See the bitch a text me down. Make it big. Remember say no, guys, hear ya. Remember say you try kiss me, I don't want to kiss you. Tell the blood clot people them, oh you been a force and pan blood clot me. And when you find woman, I go read out your blood clot file and tell the people everything. Pussy, you can't say my pussy big no day, no time. Come here, go give it to your raw. Tell the people them when you chat your blood clot, baby mother, go and watch me and you. Go block your mother, block your mama and your baby mama and Anna, go block them. Go back your mother, your baby mother, Anna, your bartender. Go suck your mother, Jabass. You Smaddy. You did feel like say, you go come for me for go class me. And me go, me not take it. Me go class your back. So come blood clot, click live, cause I live for life. Batman. Go click live. Una me care say call him, hold on. Run go talk, Jabass. I tell Jabass to come. Hold on now. Cause me a bad girl in a real life. You know me a who? You know me a blood clot who? Anybody where they pan this from the other day can tell you say me be not spear blood clot Jabass. Me be not spear him. Anybody where can talk no say me be not blood clot spear Jabass. Me sit down and me hold my own. And when Jabass over here rub me, go and rub me blood clot come. Me be not spear Jabass. Remember say Jabass come here can tell you no how far cut back your wall of the light them and post. Remember you come do that and not me friend. And not me. I know me. It's not me. So you can't come tell nobody say my pum pum big. Cause all if my pussy big for show. You are the only person who can't tell nobody that. You are the first man missing up. You are the first blood clot man. You're outside that stink. Go argue with your baby mother where you eat. That's if you got argue with. And you all know go cuss for internet, Mr. Delusional. I have hey, make a video call you. Since as you want blood clot clout, let me give you a little clout. Be I give you a little clout today night, Mr. Jabass. Can you feel like you have blood clots, buddy? You feel like you're not going to come on my phone tonight, cup. Go argue with me. I'm going to sit up. Nope. Nope. You tell like Pfizer. Can me come to your party and I'm going to look for that mad, you're not true? It's a mad, yo. Yeah. It's a mad, yo. Yeah, let me show you people. It's a mad, yo. Just you coming like shit. You coming like a...
Yeah, mad girl.
Tell them so you say. Tell them so you say you fuck me and me I take pill. Cause what you do, coming at me? How you fi coming at me, you tell a woman say a prank. Make up your mind. Make up your mind, Batman. Make up your mind.
You're sick
Because me no want blood clot, yo. I see me neck full of a icky and never you put them pan that a mad blood clot, yo.
You're delusional.
Cause me go skin up my title and me come and ram out it blood clot that a mad blood clot, yo. Remember see you there you party the whole time and me never see your body, man. Remember see me make a turn up on the stage one night. You watch me go, you watch me come. Remember you stalk you all of my friend them. Remember say after party you text every blood clot body me have all I message them. Me dey on them page in the inbox, dirty blood clot Jabass. A good pussy girl I'm mad don't know. Me pussy a turn in an idiot. Tell the people them. You piece of shit. I don't like you. Me don't like you. Me hate you. Me don't need you. Jabass, me don't need views. You look like Humpty Dumpty. You look like Humpty Dumpty sitting on a blood clot wall. You think you been gonna go cuss me today? That's true. You think you're not gonna get with though? Can you figure something more bad though?
Yeah, that's true. We figure though.
You give me blood clot engine. You give me engine. For me over here, I tell people say you give me engine. Dirty idiot. You give me engine.
I don't like band the cigarette. Take care of me now.
Me accept. Let me take care of you every true. Cause I don't want to get bad. You give me engine.
Which engine?
You give me car.
Yeah, me get car. I take it back.
Go suck yourself. You know say. Me not like you. Me hate you like pies and me a black you from before too.
I take it back and argue Annie.
Stop call up Annie blood clot name because tell the people them say are you and Annie them come up with prank. I true me never in on it. That's why Annie say me fake because I was in on the prank. And you they supposed to have my back. I tell me said it was a
Never wait 3 days first after doing.
Don't worry yourself about me and my period. Don't worry about that. Me a blood clot work and all the things about to buy. So me done my period and me clean up my nice. You ever smell me yet?
Me not come for clothes. My girl, go and come on phone.
I'm shit, cause you know you don't want to hang up. You know you don't want to hang up. You're glad me call you though, you just a kid that you miss me. You know you miss me, man. Sometimes you have to cut off boy and make them know themselves. So I park you.
True, man. Like you park, man. You park.
I'm not unpark you. You have to stay in your little corner because I'm not use you. You're a pussy.
I mean I know the corner now.
You're a pussy in a real life. I park you, I'm not unpark you. You're fake. You use my energy for the media.
Thank God for that. Enjoy holiday.
If you text one more smart about me a problem, remember me tell you that. Me and you.
Enjoy your jet to holiday.
Click no like about me now. Click no like about me.
You can't go argue no man. I'm going to take on.
Click no like about me on TikTok. Are you here?
You get left for. You secret for me?
Me have enough secret for you. Me take a picture of your body. Me have all a picture of your body right now. Tell them say you near me, but you near me out. You know you near me out. So me not have to tell them that. We can't believe this man make me have to argue. You really want me to come out of retirement, dog? Don't worry yourself. Me know what you want and me not gonna give you it. Can't believe. Guys, I don't know how long me not call a boy a phone. Because me say me a hold my own and me a easy. Me talk to him. Cause him not nice. The Jabass want to sit on the media and the Jabass off the media are two different smaddy. Me say me there on Jabass and Jabass going like he want to cuss me and me sit down and I look on him and me say pussy me not argue with you. Cause me not argue with people in a real life. Me sit down and make him cuss like a bitch. And when he done, he my fear say, "Yes, me sorry." And you want to argue with me on TikTok?
Most full moon what I do, you want to pill.
Me I take 2 pills when me done for true. And me go lock off my phone and me a block you for everything.
That's if you do.
Cause me know you did want me attention. If you want. You like toxic and me not do it with you. Cause the people them the live I talk about you and me just a kin me teeth. You come blood clot class me. But groupie. And that. I better say I go look blood clot doing you for burn you.
Oh, you mad, me? You mad?
Me a go in a doing your inbox and me a look him and me know it a go mad you.
You lick your wish.
I wanna the other man them pan it up. You see me go to so you send Pops voice note for true cuss him?
Tell him to tap call my name and I video them. If I can't video call him decline him and say tap.
But they tell him to call your name too. Cause I tell him say me and you a friend. But him just say that do it for the fun.
Yeah, boy. Alright, I feel me tired now. Look over, I click my life now.
Go long. May I come watch it? Disgusting like dog.
I get a little still. Lift up our believe, bro. If you don't call me pussy, if you don't call me nothing, on life stagnant if you don't call me name. You don't have to call me blood clot name. All them in the life for days, you don't have to call me blood clot name. You don't have to, if you don't call me name, you don't have to call me name. If you don't call me name, you don't can't blood. I'm in the pan you call you name. No time. No time in the pan my life I call you name. Every time on the pan life, Jabass. Me I roll my phone up, pussy. You don't have to call me name, bro. You don't have to. I want to say, you don't rate me, you don't like me, you don't deal with me. You don't have to call me name and not cloud to get views. You don't have to do it. You don't have to blood clot do it. And I just the truth, bro. I just the truth. Me not somebody, but if me not somebody, why you not call me name? If you not somebody, why you not call me blood clot name? If me not somebody, why you not call me name? Why it have to be about me, bro? Why it have to be about me? Why you don't have to depend my name? Eh? Eh? Yo, Pops. I know how me pre Pops and big sweet Pops over somebody what is not mine. Or somebody what that was never mine. How the blood clot if you do that, bro? How you thought me feel now weird, bro? Eh? How you thought me feel now weird, bro? Leg off family and big batty boy and no go on with it. You're a batty man in the youth. All your boy 6K, you're a big waist man in a pussy. You're a big 6K. You're a DIC to one a group either. He's the man groupie and she's the female groupie. I'm not groupie in a pussy. You know what I'm saying? You know every time I stand up tall so and firm. And fight my war them pussy. I don't want to help, you know. Oh, how most people come in and say they want help after their own. With that groupie youth. With that blood clot groupie bad. If you don't call me, oh, forget that forward. Don't see where they do, just forget that forward. Oh, forget that forward. Them a call up me name, just forget that forward. If you don't call me name, pussy, you don't get no forward, batty boy. I beg, Pops, I beg me, but yo, click live, I go for the live dog, you know, say a summer. Make a thing active, club. I'm going to say, I'm going to give him piece of cloud, because I want the cloud. They want a piece of cloud, so big give a piece of cloud. Big batty man, Pops. You know, go in and see Bubbles boss a long time. More boss, be a need for boss, Bubble. Bubble not boss by itself. The first thing is a push and Bubble in here, a boss. I know I'm going to give them a spotlight, man. 6K. I know to look up to me in the youth. Hey, I want to know what I'm sure about. Once you come here, so, when there is nobody you come and call Jabass name, you become somebody for the time, for the moment. And it's just the truth, bro. I'm not business who I go chat at them out and say, yeah, somebody had this, yeah, that. I say, once anybody want a boss, just find one topic, if I lie on and tell and go talk about Jabass, so no views are go up, everything are go on. You see me? Everything I go on for once you call me blood clot name. And that's the truth, bro. I
Sierra. Where you want? What the fuck you? Don't blood clot come from my life, Batman. What go on?
Me here say of course, true.
Chanel, me no blood clot skinny with you now. So if you not come about something serious, me no anyway you want.
Me serious.
Well, me not send for you.
Cause me really I wonder what go on you say, you know.
So so come over here, so me not send for you.
So what go on? Who add me? What happened? I cuss me because I class me a class. The other day when I come to me, I realized I never argue with you because I never in an argument mood. You understand? And you as a woman I don't have a problem with. You understand? I don't see you, I don't hate you, I don't care. Oh,
me not see you, me not care either.
Wait now. The other day I see you do one live and you say, somebody a call on your phone and I do me. If you get a couple of missed calls and you say from me, who that call you? But I don't mean that. I don't have
a question. I want to bite you. Why your
I'm
problem?
telling you, I don't have a reason to be calling
What's
you.
your
on no
fucking
fake
problem?
number
No
or
come
none
over
of
here
them
to come
number
talk about
there.
your problem for
Anyways,
me.
right now me I done your car dealership. So bye bye. Me I done your
Bitch,
whatever you
please.
call it.
Hurry up and go on now. Go to where you have
Annie,
to
don't
do.
do that, Annie. Don't do that. You can't. As a matter of fact, call me bitch. I'm an expensive bitch. No problem.
You
I'm
are,
an expensive
yeah.
top
You
class bitch.
expensive
A bitch that you
Fuck
can
up
never
him.
be, babe. Annie, I'm the bitch that you can never be. So let's clap that. I'm the bitch that you can never be. How about that?
D, stop going like you're
What else you
blood
gonna come
clottings.
with? So go like
D,
what?
stop going like you're blood clottings. You're not all blood
I
clot that.
am
No
everything
blood
that
clot
you're
come over
not.
here so come take out your blood
Annie,
clot problem
I
for me.
am everything
Me not
that
see
you
you.
are
So where
not.
you carry your blood clot
I
problem for
am
me
everything
fast?
that you are not. Always remember blood clot that D is
What?
everything that Annie is fucking not. D are everything that you're not.
No,
Guess
God
when
have
you
merciful. I
you
want
come
to that
good.
girl. That girl have a running belly in her night, yeah?
Yes,
That
yeah, the
girl
shit
have
up you
gas?
try blood clot get rid
You
of.
have
Stop
gas?
calling me name, coming a
You
blood
have
clot
gas?
for you.
Big
Stop calling me
stinking
blood
old
clot
girl,
name,
so
coming to
good
see you.
girl. Me I call
And
you
you're the
blood
only
clot
bitch you
name
gonna ring
stinking
in your
girl.
blood clot
Oh,
ear.
you reach
You're gonna
blood clot,
tired
you're
kiss
so
in my face.
good.
That bitch is the
So
bitch of all
good. When you
bitches,
the
Annie.
about the
That bitch
media,
are
we
the
pop
biggest bitch
push
in the
down your
blood
dick in
clot
your
pack.
throat.
Me a
We
queen
pop
bitch. Me
suck
a
you
big bitch. Me
out.
a bad bitch. Me
Pop
a
suck out your
independent bitch.
blood
Best
clot.
bitch in your
Suck
blood
good
clot life.
D.
Remember
Suck
saying you
good
the palette
D.
today. One
Suck
by
good
one
blood
you come
clot
at me.
D.
That bitch are your
Me
well one
call
friend
you.
from Annie.
Me call
Gun
you
me
suck
about
good blood clot D.
ma.
Big
Gun me
blood
about you.
clot, girl.
Let's see
Me
who's
call
up with
you,
a go
girl.
and release your little
Me
stuff
see
with
you,
picture
bitch.
now.
Me look
Guys,
for you,
what's
bitch.
up?
You
And
go like you
I go
bigger than
okay.
nobody. You're nasty, no blood clot.
And you don't have me a suck
Nasty
with me and
blood
you a
clot
suck
D. Me
good.
see you.
You don't have me a
Me
suck with
see
me
your
and you a
blood
suck
clot
good.
nasty D.
You and Jabass and
Nasty
Chanel from me
blood
and
clot
mouth
D.
to no
Me
mother.
see
You
you.
go suck
Me
out to
send
no
for your
mama.
nasty D.
Go suck out your mother. Go near mouth to no mama. Company now look the guys. Two of them. And none of them have more views than me and they say me a run down views. A pay dead girl and pay dead boy. Pay dead girl, pay dead boy. Jabass gun your mouth your mother. Annie gun your mouth your mother. The two of them need to go suck each other parts. Cause Jabass suck pussy like dog. And a 1 or 2 times me sit down and wind up in your blood clot face. Why you not go tell the people them see any am front? In a real life, no prank. Why you not go tell the people them see any am front like dog? Tell them that. Tell them that. Tell them that. If you're there about my friends so good, of course me gonna chase you. Me gonna run you down.
Me reason the different. Me say, Annie, me can't bother with D, you know, because D want this prank thing for turn for real and go like a reality thing. Me not say it to you.
Yes. Yes. So you say you can't bother with them or something. Yeah.
Alright, I'm say me no want this because me a woman of fire and me can't take you up a problem.
Yes.
All me a try to tell her say done, you know, a blood clot, accept it.
Yeah.
Alright. The morning when time you see blood clot somebody in a car. I'm do that. Not tell me I tell you if a bad man watch and man just go on brother and tap in a chat. A brother all the time me I tell you say don't come.
Yeah.
You still a come.
Yeah, man.
You understand? You still all the time say don't come, bro. Me party we going what day July 18 he asked me say if it still come, me say more man not come nowhere. The woman say it's a public party.
Yeah, and he still come.
And he still come, bro. I mean, I look on him, bro.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And me not busy if D want over the say me in front, D can say me in front. If he want to say he play with me with D, he can say anything he want to say. Me showing myself, say listen, nothing like that. I mean I argue with blood clot him. So let me tell you this here. When woman can say anything out of them mouth, they come like nothing to blood clot.
What me not cut you, but the man
If me want front, me am front that come and assault. So if me want front, me am front. But me sure know say I would never name blood clot D. And if me and yam woman, me and yam no woman, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
But the PMD did not ball over you like a baby, and we did not fear wall up the
Thank you. And me look for Annie and me tell Annie say, Annie, go on with your blood clot, go to Annie, don't go tell me no. Ask Annie.
Yeah,
me run with Annie to that blood
run
clot.
me way.
Me run with Annie to that blood clot. Run me a style Annie out there. Me say, go me here and go tell me no.
You see me? I have the job I say no want it fooling this shit, so you get what me I say for go on with
yeah, me I try to tell you. So me no know, bro. And that the girl, the brother, all when me there, boy, me tell the bad man, stop with up a live thing, stop push up on me, stop kiss me, stop put him on the spot. He still a do it, bro. I show me no want easy off in the public, bro. Bro, everything was a fucking prank. Me no busy one say no cute, bro. Me have to talk my side.
That's it.
Everything was a prank, bro. The woman want left from prank go to reality, and it cannot work. So if me a waste man to talk it truth, I just say go. Prank it was and the woman want put you
and
over.
that's the thing.
She said nobody never makes you feel so yet. And he feel good. And he want if you go and I say no. Because me know for real some more I like a serious relationship with that bro. So before me continue to do it, bro, me tell her I said done and the woman asked me say, if me really don't want her for true. If me really don't want to be with her for true, brother. And the woman crash bad man when you see all white party, woman crash short.
Yeah, man, bad.
Yo, man, crash out after the white party, bad man. He can't have no brakes, bad man. I fret one night, Annie. Because I say, Bumbo Club, I don't want to do on the road in a bro, G. And the man crash out, bad man, and drive with all his friend, bro. He drive with all his two friends, and the two friends, with that big with him feel. Yeah. So no girl can't come and say, go stand on you and pussy. And if you want to stand on you and pussy, the business in my mouth, say, more and pussy, me and pussy.
Blood clean. Me say me dey peaceful to back
come on, blood clot assault that. I mean, I come and say, all this, I sit up on live with people, I call up me, I say, alright, I turn on for me blood clot live there. Because listen, if they not call up my name, and they can't get no blood clot clot.
Me know, come here to all of this
and me, and them a link up and I make call D. And can go a blood clot Mandeville. I'm D and Jaden, they never talk, and Mr. Jaden say, Mr. Lowy man, and me, I'm a par man. You hear the one do one place, brother, so comes in, get back, look a blood clot over here, son. Oh. Tell me. Cause me not, cause look, you know, him feel like say me busy about him and he followers them, you know.
But when she turned and said to me, in the car when she did not ball, when she started, when the girl did in the front part of the car, she turned and said she can't take you down because fear people them enough for them fear. You understand me I say?
Look at if D push me red button. If D push me red button over here, everybody cries shame for me over this blood clot. I remember saying I'm not really busy about TikTok, you know, bro. I've saved the day band me getting I'm gonna go live and I said to me say, "What you back up here?" I said, "I'm not gonna live on him, I'm gonna focus on my thing so."
Yeah.
If he push my red button over blood clot this year so, uno see something differently. So all like blood clot friend them when blood clot chat and style up in blood clot friend that are Nippy and blood clot Denny's.
Yeah.
And revise the people in blood clot scream shot. If you better not ramp with blood clot me. Because I must kill on them, I say none of you can bring me down over your son. None of you can bring me down over blood clot your son. None of you. I tell you that. Me don't tell us me no want a relationship with you want blood clot pushing then you come by you come go and like I said nobody are doing nothing. You must feel so I think everybody can trick. You can trick the blood clot either people them. You can trick and everybody can trick.
Come out to Jabass and get back your life restrict on them something over them something here, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. No make nobody make you come back them type of way here. You understand me?
You can't blood clot chick, you can't chick no blood clot people them. You can't chick me, we do no mind game. A mind game we not use and talk about manipulator. Oh man, if you manipulate when a man tell you say you know why in a relationship with blood clot, you want if it done. When the man done that man get up a text, you eat, how are you? And the woman a pressure me. Me nah make him. Me even look on him and tell him, I say, watch out. Me nah have time for this, I'm a party me I deal with it right now. Me so sick to deal with that man right now. Me can't reach up the whole thing busy for me. And the man don't put me pressure me. How can I help? Me say me good. Me no want to help for you if you got blood clot, take it tell me, I have a message. For your blood clot come take it tell me. You man don't put me say, alright, since you want blood clot, but don't have 4 people that will get that when you come back at party collect your money.
Yeah.
Let me try to tell you.
Nippy tell me, say Jabass tell him, say him a come a Mandeville. But Jabass tell Nippy, say Nippy no fi tell me. That's what Nippy say. Nippy tell me, say, no, Jabass tell me, say, him tell Nippy fi tell me, say, him come a Mandeville, but a Nippy never tell me. So he make it look like, say, a Nippy at the pussy in at the middle. Because me no can't take it bag and mix up and the bag up and down now. I don't say nothing to Nippy, I just leave it alone. Because me I say, why would Nippy want to tell me, say, the man a come a Mandeville and the man say enough to tell me, and then Jabass tell me, say, him tell Nippy to tell me, and Nippy not tell me.
That nah, I don't.
You get where me I come from? It would have look like, say, him a try tell me, say, Nippy and my friend. Yes, where me I come from? That is it.
Like
so, him said to me, no, me have a whole I message him, but through me about disappearing chat pa me so I'm sure no. Him probably have a message him can show, but me a disappearing sitting on my phone. He tell me, say, Sure, me can't bother with you. Anything you want to work with right now, you know. You get where me I come from? What you say? Somebody said something else, son.
Man, I think him eat.
They come at them and move fast.
And it don't move.
Yeah, me there, so Jabass. No, guys, me serious. Because you know, sister, me never did there say no mix up and no problem with thee. So me don't know where she fuck she come over here support me for. And you see you, Chanel, there's a mix up blood clot, girl. You understand me? Wait till when Jabass gone. Remember, because I start cussing you go here and tell me, say, Annie, me say, you see, you mix up. How the fuck you gonna get deep on my bumbo clot life? Why you do that, Chanel? Chanel not in there, so Aki walk. Chanel, why you do that? You're the girl that mix up your fuck.
Which one?
Now, Chanel. Chanel
No,
don't
Chanel.
fucking mix up, man.
No,
Jabass over here so peaceful.
No,
You
Chanel.
keep them and enjoy ourselves.
Low Chanel, man. Low Chanel.
No?
But me I look close after you and me use you. What is there for me for use for you? And I me give you strength. What strength you blood clot give me? And me give you blood clot strength. I when you get bookings, me make people blood clot book and can't go places. You can't give me no strength. You can't give me no strength. You say a fucking idiot. You know strength? You know strength? Right? But strength.
Yeah, we don't care you in 40 days and 40 nights. And that him
A big waist man. You're a big waist man, Jerry. You're a big waist man. Who the one with girl? It's alright, man. Who the one who? Because let me tell you what you want me to do. Who the one me go and talk, and then you so things against me, I be like a big pussy well. So look at who the one me just say, tap car. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna stop car me part of blood clot live. When I'm on part of live, stop car me blood clot name part of blood clot live. You get me I say?
Front and Nippy was coming in the car. And when Nippy are coming at the car, me a turn me head a come out, him a turn film head a come in, and me and him out the touch, but we never kiss. Anybody where did there, please tell me say una remember. Do me a beg una tell me so una remember. Please me a beg una tell me so una remember. Tell me so una remember. Zin? You see when that happened, me go to Jabass and me say, Jabass, me feel a way about it. Me never like how that feel. Me feel a way about it. Zin? Me never know if my friend did see her or not. So me go to her and me say to her, say, him said to me, say, me must tell her what happened, because if me don't tell her what happened, it'll go look like, say, a weed for true. So me go to my friend and me tell her what me in the car. Zin, and she say, but a live happen pan, and nobody not take it away there. Zin? We day night party, everybody dance, everybody enjoy themselves. I say the whole time, he must cuss me behind it, because he must say, him have it to say, like him that said the boy want me then. That he have it to say. So if that cuss me behind, so even after everything play off and done, him did still a cuss me about it, and I say, it's like me and the boy kiss on purpose. That him that say. In a talk, when he must say, make me and him argue, you know. When me in the car and him argue with me slap him in the chest. Same time my friend he come at the door up in the car, he must tell her, say, oh, me in the car try fight him off. He not tell them, say, he don't in my face about the man, I say, me there with the man. It was an accident. Everybody on the line say it was a fucking accident. It not even was a kiss. It not even was a kiss. You get me I come from? And the boy come. Reject who? Ask Jabass all long now. He might go, no. Make a take down Baez, because Baez done it one.
What me do?
You know I do nothing. That's the thing. You just sit down, you dead me up. Here what me now, guys. I want all of the ladies them. If me did a preach Jabass over relationship, wouldn't I come over here cause start drop words pan Jabass from long time? Be honest. Wanna be honest to yourself. More than over here so I cause Jabass from long time. Me not even come on live. Me dey over start out me car. Me I do my own business. Me not business with Jabass. Me not see him. Me don't see Jabass. Me not business with Jabass, bro. From the all-white party, me I wonder when me and my friend them have. Me I wonder when me and them have. Everybody start move sideways. Me and everybody start move sideways. Me I wonder what go on. See now me a hear say him show them message say me a chat them. Me don't want to see what the message says still, because I don't remember that. But if me chat them, I must something where me didn't want to talk about it, but my mind, me I forget off. I just saw it go sometime. Things are happen with you and your friend, them, and you have to talk about it. And if you say you have somebody where your man, you're going to talk to them about it. I just saw it go. So if I chat them, and I'm sure them the chatting, well, I just saw it go, live. So it go. If something happen, and you have a man where you say you trust, I don't delete no message, my love. I have on disappearing messages, and my phone don't have no space. So my message them have to delete. So if I chat them with him, I don't know what I chat, so I would have to hear them to remember what I chat and why I say it. That's all I have to remember. But that alone just go for sure to say Jabass was a big batty man, and Jabass is a big fake batty man. That is just it. Cause I don't know where I chat them say with him. But anything he say me chat them, I feel him business, that my business.
I want to go friend link me and say, yo, you know see what I say what? I'm wrong go look. Me no sit down on blood clot you saw every day scroll through. Oh. And I cuss right at me attack.
You're talking.
Oh, me not cuss here. Me not cuss here. Me not attack. I mean I be kill up myself, I be unorganized, you know. Me have every blood clot sit there so. If he push up the shop, me have everything so. And then uno know I go say, no sir. I chew Jabass attack. When me start show the screenshot and screen record, I say, I say I chew Jabass attack. When me not time for that, bro. When me tell them say tap sit down for me name and call up my name and then go king there, bro. Uno like clout. So uno hunt the clout and when me go uno play victim. Uno hunt the clout and when me come outside, when me go beside clout, uno play victim. And that me not understand.
Annie, what I say? When you keep on a car, look at me.